Welcome! In front of me is a TCL 50 SE, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and from here, scroll down till you see something like storage. There we go. In here, click on the drop-down menu and then choose SD card. This will show up these three dots in the corner right here, and when you press on it, it gives you the option to format it. Click on it. It does give you a quick message letting you know that formatting will basically get rid of all the data that is stored on that card. If you have anything there that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done so, you maybe just don't want to, you can select Format right over here. This will then begin all formatting the card, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. The card is now formatted. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.